In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Aweber plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm your upgrade with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, click the official Aweber website. To be sure you're in the right place, check that the URL is the official Aweber domain and that your browser shows the secure padlock icon. On the homepage, click Sign In. Enter your login details and complete any two-factor verification if prompted. Once you're in the control panel, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see your user profile with your name and email address displayed. Click that profile area to open the account options. From the drop-down, choose My Account. On the account page, look to the left-hand side and click the Billing tab. This is where you can view your current subscription, payment method, and invoices. In the Billing section, find the area labeled Current Plan and click the Change Plan button. This opens the plan configuration screen where you can adjust your subscription. Here, you'll see a slider for subscriber tiers. Slide it to the right to increase the number of subscribers your plan supports. Pick a tier that comfortably covers your current list size and any near-term growth so you don't hit a limit unexpectedly. If you're unsure, choose the next tier above your current subscriber count to give yourself some headroom. You can also adjust your billing term from monthly to annually. Annual billing typically offers a lower effective monthly price, but you'll be charged for the year up front. Monthly billing provides more flexibility with smaller, regular payments. Consider your budget, cash flow, and how long you plan to use the upgraded features. Take a moment to review any taxes, currency, or regional fees shown so there are no surprises. Before finalizing, carefully review the updated pricing and included features displayed on the screen. When everything looks right, click Change Plan again to confirm the upgrade. If you're upgrading mid-cycle, Aweber may prorate the cost, so you only pay the difference for the remainder of your billing period. Make sure your payment method is current and valid to avoid delays. After confirmation, you should see an on-screen success message, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email with your new plan details. That's it. Your Aweber plan is now upgraded. If you ever need to adjust it again, return to the Billing tab and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy email marketing.